Hello there! Let's make these free in Indiana campaign toolkits work for you. First, pick the campaign kit that fits your needs. General, municipal, business, and university kits and templates are available. Once you've chosen a kit, fill out the form page and click Submit. The custom headline generator makes it easy to join in. Everyone can access the editable and pre-made files to download from the toolkit page. Included in these kits is everything from logos that can highlight an In Indiana partnership on your website, to social posts that can be personalized to show your state pride, to street banners that proudly share your town's unique experience. Customizable logos, posters, stickers, print ads, and much more are all available for download. And as you design your own pieces, don't forget to install the free fonts. Now it's your turn to build your message in Indiana.